Discord is giving away from free Nitro trial starting from May. I will post the article link in the video's description. Best part is no payment required. Looks like Discord's new way of giving Nitro. To claim your free Nitro, go to PC Discord, Discover tab, and then Quest. Here, you will find 2 to 3 free Nitro quests. You need to watch video and solve some puzzles. It's easy. I have already made all the videos on it. Here you will get all the free Discord Nitro features like animated emojis, stickers, custom profile, banners, and everything, but you can't boost the server. Make sure you check out the videos. And if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button for more Nitro-related videos.